Good morning. It's time for morning meeting. We're almost through this week. So we're going to start morning meeting with today. Today is, does anyone know what today is? Can you touch it?
Thursday.
Today is Thursday. So let's say that in a sentence.
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday, which means tomorrow is Friday. We've almost made it. Month.
The month is.
We're halfway through this month. Anyone remember what month it is? Can you touch it? May. And the picture of May has a mom and a baby because Mother's Day is in May. Let's say that in a sentence.
The month is May.
The month is May. And the date is the 14th.
14th.
So if you look, we've almost made it halfway through our month. Weather. If you haven't got the chance, you can go look outside.
The weather is.
To figure out what the weather is going to be like today. So this morning it's kind of cloudy. It might rain a little bit, but later the sun's going to come out. So it's going to be partly sunny.
Partly sunny.
So we would say the weather is partly sunny or the weather is cloudy. All right, this picture means the temperature.
The temperature is.
So the temperature is, if you're watching it first thing this morning, it's about 60 degrees, so it's going to be warm. If you're watching it later, it could get all the way up to 80, but we would still say that's warm, okay? So it'll be between 60 and 80 degrees today.
Warm.
And so that's warm weather. Touch warm. And you can kind of see on the picture, partly sunny is on the warm. Good job. Okay, so today we have language arts and math. I need you to work on your IEP goals and then our special areas on Thursday. We go to life skills. So you can work on all of those things today. All right, friends, I'll talk to you later. Bye.